What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different where we're going to be unboxing a few of my pickups that I've done probably from the past week. This is something I haven't done before, but I thought, instead of doing mystery boxes or maybe doing like a specific pair, kind of wanted to show what I've had in these boxes. I have about 6 total, but we'll go ahead and empty them out. Maybe I can give a little backstory why I purchased them, if I plan to sell them, resell them, make some profit. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know in the comments. We'll go inside off right after this. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. Okay, like I said, we are doing a little bit something different. Actually, before we get started, I do want to give a big shout out to our sponsor for this video. You guys have heard me in a couple of videos where we talked about them, and this product, man, I cannot tell you how many of the shoes specifically I have saved, especially for my soles. But right here, the family at Drip Grip has sent us over some more of these sole protectors for your sole, and it's crazy, man. I'm telling you, like, a couple of the homies, I've sent them over, they've bought these products and they've literally easily cut them out, put them on the shoe, and they've stayed there. They have stayed on the shoe, and right when you take them off, you can peel them off the shoe, and after that, it literally looks like a dead stock shoe. So, I mean, if you guys want to check them out down below. Our discount code is going to be right here on the bottom of your screen. Get that 10% off and, maybe save your soul, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's get straight into the video. All right, we are not praying for OOS because I know what we bought, but we're going to go straight into it. All right, so from the first box, I believe this one is from our friends at Retro Grails. Shout out to Daniel and Tanner. They have been definitely plugging your boy. I'll go ahead and put their Instagram right here, or both of them. Definitely good dudes. See if you want to make some deals with them. But, oh, okay. So here it is an orange box. And this one, I know exactly what this is. These actually aren't even for me. This is for a good friend, my homie Chris. Shout out, thank you for supporting. This one is a Nike Blazer Low Sakai. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I think they're dope. It really just kind of depends. You guys know you got that iconic Sakai paper that comes with it. So we're gonna open these up. And these are the green joints. Okay, actually, these are kind of nice. So what you guys think about these? You got that iconic blazer look. They've released, I think Sakai has had a few of these blazers that have released, but this time was the first time that they did a low on them. Definitely could be good to rock with like some nice denim on these. Green and gray, classic colorways. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about these Sakai? I think I would rock these. I probably would go with the orange pair, but the homie went with the green. So yeah, these will be going straight to you, Chris. Appreciate you again for support, but check them out. Got that sole, white midsole. It's not really a full white. It's actually like a rough texture, just like the Sakai's. Pretty dope. Sometimes I get so many packages I kind of forget what's coming in. We'll go make sure these are nice so that when I ship them out, they look presentable to my home. All right, let's go and dive deep into the next one. This one is from our friend Edgar. Shout out to Edgar for doing this deal. I think these are the Dunks. Depending on who I buy from, usually it's either like gifted upon arrival, but I trust Edgar. So pop this open, and this looks like to be a classic red box. So this one is a size 9, Daybreak Plum. If you guys know what this is, you already know that this is a classic pair. Woo! Plums. I can't get enough of these. So I have a few pairs of these now. I think I'm gonna be adding these to the website, but this is a size 9 dead stock pair. The plums. He was pricing these at $420, but I think I got a better deal on these ones. Iconic, part of the Ugly Duckling pack, the re-release in 2020. I have my personal pair finally, and this one probably will go to one of our loyal customers. So check it out. Can't say much about these plums. I love them. I'm gonna try to keep stocking up on these because I think the price is about to go. All right, let's open this one. We got a big box here. This one is from Demand District. Shout out. This was actually a pretty big deal that we did. Well, not really big, but I've been buying up Dunks like crazy just because they do so well for us. I think this one is the one with a bunch of them. So let's open this box. Oh wow, this is a great packaging. You got like that paper up top so it secures all the boxes. And ooh, Okay, looks like we got a buttload of dunks. So let's pop them open real quick and let's see what we got here. So this one is a, okay, Nike Dunk Low. Let's see. This one is a black pair. So these ones, you know, a lot of people have been hitting us up about these. These have been selling for us like crazy as well. We try not to price them higher than StockX, but we also have to like kind of make some money back. But at the same time, like, you know, this one literally is never gonna just sit and buy. So if you guys are gonna invest in these, I think these are gonna continuously keep going up, and no problem with having these like staying in stock with us. So this is the black pair. I'm gonna put that box down. And then this one, I think, let's open these ones. So as you guys know, we just had our baby. But these, he actually threw us a steal. So we bought a 9C and a 10C. Check these out. I'm hoping what I want to do is kind of, oh yeah, look how cute these are. We got the baby black dunk. So it's actually pretty big for a 9C, now that I think about it. But yeah, we got the baby black dunks here, and a lot of people have been asking us for these. So we're gonna try to like sell these for like very cheap. So just kind of like stay tuned in all of our social media, because we'll be consistently throwing deals out, especially when our website reopens. So this one is a black pair and another black pair, 10C and 9C. So good pickups. And then lastly, we got these two green boxes. I think it's just the same pair. This pair is a 9.5 size 11 in women's. Oh, it's first time seeing these in person. Woo! Yo, these are not. All right, so these are the Nike Dunk Low Spartans, Michigans. They have that blue colorway, which we just bought a lot of, but I really like this pair. I think this one goes hands down with the black pair. What kind of green is this? Sparring green is here? Okay, it goes team green, which I think is a very great colorway for a dunk. Definitely think that these are gonna go higher in price. I'm gonna be buying these up like crazy, just kind of how you guys see my mind. I need a couple personal these, and I'll probably get one for the wifey. But definitely, guys, this dunk is gonna go crazy. Keep on buying these if you can, and still looking for my personal size. But size 9.5, I think I bought 2 of them. I got them for, I was paying pretty high on these just because I know these are going up for sure. On to the next one. I think I got two more boxes left. Let me put these on. Okay, so this one is from my guy Ben Lipper, which I think is his IG is right here. His IG is OOSKicks. He sold us an absolute steal for this pair. This one's for the personal because your boy had no idea that they ran so small. So let me open this really quick. Pop this open. All right, so as you guys know, Union just popped out and said that they're coming out with new colorways. So I had to buy some of the OG ones. So this one is the size 10.5, which is exactly what I needed. If you guys know this box, y'all know the vibes. This is a Union box. And so I bought the Noor pair. I had a size 10, I still have it actually. And damn, these run so small. I'm usually a 10 when it comes to like 4 specifically, but these are size 10.5, super clean. I'm about to put some drip grip on the bottom of these when I clean these up a little bit so they can stay like really brand new, but I think I got these way below market, which is dope. So shout out to Ben, shout out to OOSKicks. I'm gonna rock these like crazy. Check them out, y'all. We got the Noor pair, and these are definitely gonna be staying in the personal. I gotta get rid of my size 10 though, but yeah, what you guys think about these? Comment down below. All right, we got 2 shoes left in this little sneaker haul that we have. You know, as you guys can tell, I like to mix up with investments or at the same time personals, which probably will be doing like a video of all the shoes that I have currently, and then probably a little say goodbye, because I think I'm gonna get rid of some of the shoes that I don't really wear, which is pretty sad, but it has to be done, you know what I mean? Go ahead and let's pull this box out. So this box is from my good friend that I met in the sneaker game. So remember, guys, network is everything. Make sure you guys really do deals with people, make connections. Don't just go after the money, because that's gonna work out. But yeah, this is a purple box. Me and my guy Matt, the homeboy Covert, his Instagram is right here. I hit him up because I saw him selling a size 10.5, and your boy sold his pair back then, and I could not have found one. I had a size 10 laying around, so this one is a 10.5 varsity red. Let's pop it open. Let's see it. Okay, I'm so excited. Bro. My guy Cobra, bro, check these out. Oh my gosh, these are the little costumes. So he did a trade for me, did not even have to do this, and he included a pair of Nike costumes. I think these are the ones, and look how small these are. These are a size 5C for Madeline. That is our baby's name. But check it out, he threw these in, and I'm telling y'all, man, network. You never know what you're gonna get, what kind of friendship you're gonna make. But he knew that we were having a little baby girl. Let's see if she's gonna end up skating, but at the same time, it would definitely be cool just to like have these in the collection and just show them off. Because appreciate you, man. Everyone follow Cobra if you can. His Instagram is right here. He sells some DS crazy heat from back then. You already know, but let me pull out the pair that I'm talking about. And this is the Chicago J-Pack. Bruh, these are crazy. Definitely not gonna be leaving my site, but you have that red, you got that black swoosh, that white leather. And I'm telling you, this I think is probably one of the best leathers that I've seen on SBs. Happy to have these back in the collection, and they will be staying for real. Appreciate you, Matt, again. Oh my God. We got one last box to unbox. I believe these are from the homies. This one is from our very good friend that helped me secure a pair. I wasn't able to do like a review on these recently just because it's a crazy shoe, man. And I just think the vibes that it has, it's a must for the collection. Shout out to my guy right here, Strong Boy Sneakers. Shout out to my guy Nemesis, Owen Han. I appreciate y'all for sending this pack over, and let's pop it open just to get like finally a first-hand review of how these look. So you got that iconic Quick Strike box, 2021 Nike SB. Got it right here. I'm not even gonna open it up and read the label, but they are size 10.5, so they are my personal pair. Are we gonna open it? Oh my gosh, let's freaking go. So we got, damn, these are so nice. Wow. Yeah. Yep. I'm not gonna go into history and tell you guys all about, you know, oh, this is where the shoe came from. No, this is an iconic shoe. This is the What the Paul, you know, iconic from all the different shoes that he's had in the past, either be on a P-Rod or, you know, anything else. But you know, he had this is my favorite part, I think, the cement print, because they did not mess this up. They put respect on this cement, and I really appreciate what they did. I think this might be my favorite side. I've seen multiple sides of it. I remember this one, I had this pair, the Mexican blanket pair. Possibly would say this one is my favorite shoe. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think, and you know, what side you like the best. But these are definitely gonna be going on display, which hopefully one day I'm gonna show you all this, how it looks, because this is a really dope pair. History. Dope. I appreciate you again. Strong Boy Sneakers, Nemesis. You guys are crazy, man. All right, y'all. So I think that's pretty much like the pickups that I had recently. If you guys like these, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, if we guys should keep doing this, because I buy a lot. And if you guys do want to sell some stuff, you know, reach out to us on our Instagram or via email. I'll have the information down in our video. These are definitely cool. Just to kind of recap what we do, we are collectors, we're also resellers at the same time. So what we invest in, I can let you guys know too. So let us know what y'all think. But I think this is it for that episode, and we'll go ahead and keep pushing through. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for all the love. We are en route to 1K. And you know, that's just been the journey. So until next time, y'all, always remember, stay in stock with Out of Stock Kicks. Peace.